Welcome to Practical Thinking course. I am Swetha. I am doing my 12th standard at St. Joseph Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School. In this video, I would like to talk about how school education system inhibits students' thinking capacity. When I was at kindergarten, my classroom looked like this. My classroom was colorful and my seating was not fixed. Every day there were new posters, new activities and new games. I would run and play, sing and dance to my heart's content. My books were colorful and it had a lot of colorful images. Learning was very interesting and it was fun. When my teacher asked me to sing or dance in front of the class, I was not scared of being wrong and also not bothered about what other kids think about me. Now, I am in 12th standard. My classroom looks like this. Here, I see only two colors every day, that is, the blackboard and the white chalk. I sit in the same place every day, talk to same friends, and my book is full of text now. If at all it has images, it would be in black and white. There is no singing, no dancing, and no playing, but only memorizing. Learning is no more interesting, and there is no fun. Nowadays, it is only questions and answers, both in classrooms and in exams. Most of the questions being asked in the classroom have only one right answer. This makes me think that for every problem in this world, there is only one right solution. It is easy for me to memorize the right answer and tell it whenever asked. Why would I struggle to find the technique or the method to find the answer by myself? Let me elaborate on this. What is the answer for 12 into 9? How fast can you answer this question? When I was in primary school, I used to answer this quick because I memorized the multiplication tables up to 12. But when I am asked to answer 8 into 16, I was not able to answer because I was not taught the technique to multiply at that time. I still remember some of my friends were not able to answer the question when numbers are reversed in the question like 8 into 12. Now, I realize that in reality, there are multiple answers to one problem. And technique or the procedure to solve problems and find the answer is more valuable than simply memorizing each question and its answers in the textbook. In a UKG class, the teacher asked the kids to draw any picture in their notebook. All the kids started their drawing. The teacher asked one by one what they are trying to draw. One of the kids told that she is going to draw a picture of God. The teacher told her that nobody in this world knows how God looks like. The kid replied to the teacher, "Wait a minute, miss, you will see it now." At kindergarten, we were not scared to challenge assumptions and not afraid of failures. But now, we are trained through years of schooling to strive for the right answer. If I am punished for giving any wrong answer, instead of getting appreciation, how would I try out new things? Do you think children are encouraged to ask questions to their teachers and parents? I remember asking once to my teacher, why division table is not taught like multiplication table? She replied that I am asking a stupid question. But that is not the answer for my question, and moreover it definitely won't motivate me to find the answer by myself. Most of the time, when we ask question to learn, we are told not to think in that way, but no one tells us why we should not think in that way. If we are not taught why, how can we expect reasoning behind our decisions when we grow up? We simply accept things what others believe to be true rather than reasoning out by ourselves. Mainly, there are three reasons why thinking and interest to learning shrinks by the time when we move up to high schools and colleges. First one, focus on result and not the technique. We just focus on the results but we do not find the techniques. Second one, fear of failure. Third, we are not allowed to challenge assumptions. Therefore, these are the three reasons why we always memorize and we don't think by ourselves to find out new things. I am hoping that Practical Thinking course will guide us to remain creative and improve our logical thinking skills when we move up grades. Thanks for watching this video.